Wrong identification. Wrong identification. Welcome home. Welcome home. Wrong identification. Wrong identification.
Get for yourself an Arduino Uno. Our boss. Then you also need the RFID Reader Module. Okay, you will need the let me see, a 5V, okay, a DFPlayer Mini, and a 1K ohm resistor attached to the RX. Okay, then we need an LCD display to display the informations. Okay, great. Four pins. Okay guys, 4 pins. Then this is the our speaker to 20 ohm. Okay, 1 watt, I don't know, or whatever. So now you need a 5V relay module, 3 pins, VCC, ground, and yeah, the in signal. You need a 12V solenoid door lock. Okay, okay, I think we are good. Now we need to build the experiment. Okay, get some cables for the connections. Let me zoom in. Now this is the VCC. Okay, so going to 5V. So this is the RX of the DFPlayer module. Okay, the RX is attached to this 1K ohm resistor. The RX is going to pin 3 of the Arduino Uno, pin 3. Then we need so now we are setting up the DFPlayer Mini. Now that's the TX is going to pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. Okay, pin to this cable to pin to pin to. Okay, great. Now with 2 grounds, okay, on the DFPlayer Mini. Okay, we need to ground this ground. Okay, so 2 grounds. Okay, this one. Now we need to connect. Okay, to connect these grounds. If you want to Arduino ground pin, just like that. Beautiful, easy. Is that easy? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, zooming out. Just let me change, rotate the build, because we need to, I'm going to show you how to set up, okay, the RFID Reader Module with Arduino. Okay, I think we need to rotate, okay, just a little bit, okay, just like that, then stop rotating. Okay, the first pin, okay, of the module is the pin SDA, okay. The data pin is going to pin 10 of the Arduino Uno, okay, but the cable is short, so we need to, yeah, to come with some skills. Okay, so now pin 10, Arduino Uno pin 10. Now the second cable is the SCK, okay, the clock, okay. SCK is the pin 13, okay, pin 13 of the Arduino Uno. And then the third pin, the cable, okay, the next cable is going to pin I think is MOSI, so MOSI, MOSI, okay, pin 11, okay, pin 11, let me spin 11, it's here. Now the next wire cable is to pin MISO, I think it's MISO, I don't know, okay, but yeah, MISO, so pin 12 of the Arduino Uno. We're almost done, okay guys. Okay, just like boom. I'm tired. Okay, and now the fourth, I mean, yeah, this is the ground, okay. It's going to ground, guys. We need to ground the module, okay. Ground pin, black, always ground if you are a beginner, okay. And this one, what is this, reset pin, okay, reset pin to Arduino Uno pin 9, okay. Boom, boom, just like that. Then grab another wire. This is reset pin RST pin 9. Okay, now a red wire. The reader consumes, if you want the conception, okay, whatever. The reader, okay, is powered up with 3.3 volts, okay. Good, magic. Okay, zoom out. Now we need to set up the LCD display. Very easy, huh? Very easy. But, well, I don't know. Yeah, it's easy to set up, to, you know, so many problems in the, sometimes the code is not working, sometimes the cable it's not work. Yeah, but it's easy. It's easy. It's easy. Okay, this is the to be attached to 5 volts. Okay, because the LCD is powered up with 5 volts. Then we need to ground, okay, this cable, okay, to go to ground. The other, let me see. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, now this is the SDA pin. Okay, SDA pin is attached to Arduino pin A4, analog pin A4, and the clock pin SCL to Arduino pin pin A5, an analog pin. Okay, boom. Okay, I just switched the cables. Okay, now we're almost done. Okay, then now we need to set up to connect the relay module, okay, to Arduino Uno, so that we can control the 12 volt solenoid. Okay, so this is in the pin ground, and the VCC is this third pin. Okay, so now we need to set up this. Okay, to set up, let me just, because on Arduino Uno we only have one 5 volt pin. So the LCD 5 volt pin, the relay module 5 volt pin. So we need to, and the DFPlayer Mini also 5 volt pin. So we need to, you know, to make some things so that we can connect, okay, these three devices to the same Arduino pin 5 volt. Okay, so okay, now the black wire is going to ground. I'm going to show you the schematic, okay, within a few minutes. Okay, now the data pin of the relay module, okay, is going to pin to Arduino pin 6, okay, to control the Arduino pin 6 will give the will control, okay, the 12 volt solenoid door lock. Okay, now we need to set up the solenoid door lock with Arduino, but we need to this cable. Now we attach this cable to normally open, no, closed, okay, of the Arduino, of the relay module. Okay, so we're gonna need an external power supply, 12 volt. Okay, guys, okay, just like that. No, this is the command. Now the plus 12 volt, okay, plus 12 volt to normally open, and you need to connect the minus if you want the ground of the 12 volt power supply, which is minus, okay, with minus of the solenoid door lock. Okay.
Lui che ha posato a fuggire il problema da vida.
We're almost done. I think
Oh.
the speaker. So we need to connect, okay, the plus of the speaker to SPK1. Okay, the plus the red cable, and the black, the minus to SPK2, just like that. Okay, we're done. Okay, now we need to this is the schematic, guys. Okay, the diagram. Now we need to connect our Arduino to our laptop. So this is the code to get, okay, if you want to be, because if you want to use, okay, the cards, okay, the right card, if you want to, we need to, yeah, to use this code, okay, so that we can know the card. So in the, you also need to install these libraries, okay. You will install this library, okay, you need to install this one too. Okay, great. Now we can upload this code, okay. This code allows us to know, okay, the hex of the card, okay, the code, okay, of the card, okay, the tag UID, okay, of the card. Okay, so now we as you can see, this is the RFID UID of this card. And this is the RFID UID of this blue card, okay.
Welcome home.
Okay, now this is our main
Well
program,
identification.
okay. These two
Well
codes
identification.
I'm going to provide in the
Well identification.
description of this video. Now testing
Well
time.
identification. Welcome home. Welcome
Thank
home.
you so much, and don't forget to subscribe
Well
and
identification.
hit the bell icon.
Well identification.